Children, welcome back to the EVS class. Now today we'll be learning about the safety first, and this is worksheet number 7, children. Okay, now as we have already learned about this chapter, so let us do the revision better through the with the help of the worksheet better. So let us begin now. So let me zoom this. Let me take the pen in my hand. Let us begin. This is question number 1. Tick the correct option. Whenever the question comes, tick the correct option means the option means if 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 answers are given, we have to select the correct one better. So A1. I'm reading the A1. We should cross the road at number 1 zebra crossing, horse crossing, or footpath. Absolutely, I know you know the answer. It's a zebra crossing, so we have to tick mark zebra. Next one, when B1, I'm reading the B1 now. When you are in a bus, you should. What you should do when you're sitting in the bus? Number 1, you should sit quietly. Number 2, you should jump around. Or number 3, talk to the driver. Yes, I know your answer is sit quietly. If I would have been in the class or we would have been in the class, I know you would have given the correct answer, children. Yes, C1 now. I'm reading the C1. While playing in the playground, one of your friends get hurt. What will you do? Okay, 1. Leave them and keep on playing. I know you will not do this. Number 2. You will make fun of him. I know this one also you will not do. And the number 3. You will ask an elder for help. Yes, absolutely. I know you all are good children. Okay. Now, the D1. Now I'm going to read the D1. Please pay attention. In case of a burn, if there is a burn, कुछ जल जाता है आपका, what will you apply? Number 1, antiseptic lotion, or number 2, cold cream, or number 3, sugar. Yes, it should be an antiseptic because there should not be any infection if you have a burning injury. Okay. Now, children, every time I write the answer in the worksheet, this time I've already written because when I write the letters, at times, the letters are not clear. So, this time I have write beforehand only. So, first let me read the question. Question number 2, write one safety rule to be followed. Where? To be followed A, in the class. Which safety rule we should follow in the class? Yes, only one you have to write, but I have written 2. Number 1, as usual, the teacher always tells you that better don't play in the class, don't run inside the class. Hai. So, number 1, do not run inside the class. Do not play inside the class because the sharp edges of the desks and benches may hurt you. You will be hurt badly. That is why. Or you should not jump over the desk. That is also very harmful for you. You may get hurt. And the important thing is that you may get hurt on your head also. With the edge of the desks and benches. So you should not. So you should follow this safety rule. Next comes in the playground. In the playground, there are many safety rules. Number 1, do not stand on the swings or the slides. But immediately as you go to the garden or to the playground, if you have a slide in the swing, immediately you go and stand. Please don't do that. You can sit and one by one you can do it. And always get home before dark. Don't wait for a long. Do not stand in front of the swing and all. I'm saying the extra ones, but out of all these points, you have to write any one point. Always wait for your turn. Okay, and don't stand if there is a water body or there is a pond, तो ज़्यादा देर पानी के पास नहीं खड़े रहना बेटा. You may fall and you may get hurt, isn't it? Now, next, what safety rules you should follow at home? Yes, you should not play with the sharp objects. Yes, and there are many more. If some strangers is there, do not talk to the stranger. Do not open the door. You can call your elders. Do not touch the electrical gadgets like the ovens, geysers, and toasters. And I have already written that do not play with sharp object. Now comes the question 3. Name any 4 things that are kept in the first aid box. I have explained you about the first aid box. It's a aid which is given to a person if he or she has got hurt, and this treatment is given before the doctor gives the treatment, or before the final treatment is given by the doctor. It's a temporary treatment. So what all things do you find? Yes, number 1, cotton, cotton, then scissor, sessors, bandage and antiseptic. Why it is called as antiseptic? Because antiseptic cream is very good. It if you apply, because what happens when we get hurt now, we fall on the ground, है ना. So we get a wound and आपको जो घाव हो जाता है, the wound, maybe the soil and the mud may get stick to it, and if you're not paying heed to it, if it is late for the treatment, then you may get infection also. So after cleaning the wound, we apply the antiseptic lotion, है ना. That is why. And we need a bandage, we need a cotton, है ना. That is what we need. So all these things are present in the first aid box. Yes, by looking at this, I think you must be clear with what I'm going to talk about. These are all, what are these? Yes, these are all traffic road sign. These are road sign, and we should know about this. These are very important because most of the time we are on the road, है ना, going here and there. So we should make our aware about the road sign, road safety, because this will lead to our own safety, है ना. So number one, see, can you see there's an arrow and going towards the left, going towards the left side. We have to match with the correct message. This message, that is this, can you see the arrow going towards the left? It tells that no left turn. No इसलिए बेटा, because there is a, see, you can see a line over there. जब line ऐसा रहता है, इसका मतलब है no, नहीं लेना. Then see, in the second one, triangle, a person is working. So a man at work. So take precaution, be careful. Yes, again फिर से P and there is a line. That means parking नहीं है. No parking. There is a line, diagonal line over there. And yes, you can see the zebra crossing. Okay, that is called as a pedestrian crossing. You know what is pedestrian? The people who walk on the road, on the footpath. They call as pedestrian, the walker, the people who walk. And yes, now again an arrow is there, but वो U turn लिया हुआ है. देखा आपने U जैसा, बिल्कुल उल्टा U. So this is called as no U turn. अब no इसीलिए बेटा, wherever there is a no, remember that there is a line, diagonal line over there. वो line बता रहा है कि नहीं, no. That is why no. So we should, these are only few words, but please read the chapter, children. You should follow all the rules and regulation, all the safety rules, and these are all meant for our own safety and for others also. We have learned the safety in school, on the road, in the playground, when you go out, when you are at home. Hai. So many things we have learned. Not to run on the staircase. Do not leave your toys on the floor. Please follow all these when you are at home. Because nowadays you are at home. See to it that you take care of yourself. Don't get any injury by playing with the knife and all, leaving the toys here and there. In fact, you should help your mama to keep the things in proper place, beta. And you have made a first aid box. So that activity I've seen many students have made. Those have not made, try to make, and please learn what all things are there in the first aid box, beta. Usually the medicine, bandage, the tools are there, and it is kept at home and kept in the school. And when someone gets hurt, we give the treatment, we take help of this box, and everybody has this at their home. So please do take care, beta. Be safe and be at home. God bless you.